Do you dream of financial freedom and building wealth through real estate? If so, you've probably heard about the power of leveraging debt. But is it a smart move or a risky game? Let's explore this dynamic dilemma together. Leveraging debt is the strategy of using borrowed money to invest in real estate. It allows you to control a larger asset with a smaller upfront investment. That means you can magnify your returns if the property appreciates in value. However, leveraging debt also involves risks. If the property's value decreases, you may end up owing more than it's worth. And if you can't make your mortgage payments, it could lead to foreclosure, damaging your credit and putting your investment at risk. So how do you navigate this potential minefield? It begins with thorough research and analysis. Identify properties with strong growth potential and consider different market scenarios. Conduct a comprehensive financial analysis to ensure you can comfortably cover your mortgage payments even in a worst-case scenario. Another essential factor is choosing the right type of debt. Mortgages with low interest rates and favorable terms can significantly reduce your risk. Working with experienced professionals like mortgage brokers and real estate agents can help you find the best financing options. Short-term loans or adjustable-rate mortgages can increase your risk as it creates a new variable. Additionally, having a contingency plan is crucial. Building up an emergency fund and having rental income from the property can provide a safety net in case of unforeseen circumstances. It's all about mitigating risk and being prepared for any challenges that may come your way. Ultimately, leveraging debt in real estate can be a smart move if done with caution and careful planning. It can accelerate your wealth-building journey and open doors to future opportunities. Remember, investing in real estate always carries some level of risk. It's crucial to weigh the potential returns against the potential pitfalls and understand that there are no guarantees. Thanks for joining us today as we uncovered the potential of leveraging debt in real estate. If you found this video helpful, be sure to hit the subscribe button and stay tuned for more valuable insights on our channel.